Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be comparing Sezzle and Klarna to see if which one is better for online shopping. So let's start with the Sezzle. So first, you have to open the Sezzle application and you will see your available spending limit and a list of featured stores. So Sezzle's standout feature is Sezzle Up, which reports your on-time payments to TransUnion and Equifax, which is perfect if you're trying to build credit while shopping. So the interface is bright, purple themed, and beginner friendly. Now is for the Klarna. So the Klarna's application greets you with a clean pink and black interface and a massive store catalog, which has 500k plus partner worldwide, including H&M, Nike, Sephora, IKEA, and etc. It also offers longer financing plans, which can be 6 to 36 months on top of Pay in 4, making it stronger for bigger ticket purchases. Next is the Sezzle Pay in 4. So we're going to be talking about how it works. So at checkout, Sezzle splits any purchase into 4 equal interest-free payments billed every 2 weeks. So the first payment is due today and the rest auto-charge from your linked card. Late fee is up to $10, which is great for everyday spending under $300. Now is the Klarna, which is their Pay in 4 and how it works. So Klarna uses the same 4 payment structure with no interest, but the late fee is lower, around $7. And Klarna also offers longer pay monthly financing plans for purchases after $10K, something Sezzle doesn't match. So approval is typically a soft credit check. Lastly is the verdict and see if which one wins. So you can choose Sezzle if you want to build credit history and shop primarily in US. You can also choose Klarna if you want access to more stores or longer financing options, which also has lower late fees, and you can also shop internationally. So both are 0% interest on the Pay in 4, so either is a smart fee-free choice when used responsibly. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!